All right, we are at Pine Grove Forest at the visitor center, and they're closed on the weekends, and it's snowing and icy, so parking's a little stinky. But if you look right outside the door right here is where these cool parking slips are, and they tell you to fill it out and stick it in this slot. Alright, there it is. That's where the tickets were. So it's not in the kiosk, it's on the door. Alright, here's the parking at Pine Grove. And as you can see, it's icy. And the furnace is over there. And we'll be moving up towards 20 miles south today. Oh, look, it's icy! Let's get an ice cream for the ice cream challenge. Definitely no ice cream today.
Definitely not in summer.
All right, I'm not going to sing the song because I'm not really halfway. But there is the official halfway point. Woo! Okay. Oh, there's a log too. We gotta sign the log. Okay, here's the Tom's Run Shelter, just south of Pine Grove Furnace. It's about 3 miles in, maybe. And it's right on the trail, you can't miss it. And there's a nice stream bubbling down on the left. I'm really, really glad I brought my Hillsound spikes, because this snow, it's actually more like ice. It's got a super crusty top, and the trail's been pretty slippery, although this section's not rocky, so it hasn't been bad. But I'm glad I have, and the uphill section getting up here is pretty slick. So this is the water source at Tom's Run Shelter, and it looks like it's very nice. We're not planning on staying here tonight. We're going to press on to the next shelter. So keep on moving. We've got the shelter, a nice picnic area. Privy's up the hill over there. There seems to be tent squares, tent pads. There's this cool fireplace. And then another spring sign. The trail goes that way. This looks like it's much better spring than actually using the river source. This comes out of the rocks that way. Another little spring about a mile north of Tom's Run. working now. No idea what that'll be like in the summer. So we've got rain and cold and sort of unbroken crusty snow yuck. And ooh, got a road crossing. That's kind of cool. I wouldn't want to do that without four-wheel drive. We got foot traffic only. We got skiing. Where'd you come? Trail is crusty still, and one thing I've noticed is the metal cleats on the bottom of the Hillsounds suck the warmth out of the bottom of my feet. They're like big heat sinks, so my feet are a little bit chilly and are definitely wet. So now I have snow and wet feet. I do have wool socks on though, so it shouldn't be too much of a big deal. They're not that cold, and I have more socks I can change into. I'm so glad I have these things though. I'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. I was supposed to go like 10 miles, maybe 16. I don't think I'm going to go this 16. I think I'm going to stop at 10. It's starting to rain a little bit. Ooh, the elusive midway point of the official 2017 trail. And a picture of the other midpoint. Somehow that's just not as exciting as the other one. Whoa. Something tasty walks this way. This is a road, and I have no idea which road this is, but it seems to have really good parking right there with nobody in it. So yeah, this is a cool campsite. A cool fireplace. And it's right off wherever that road is, but there's a ton of spots. You could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I bet you could put 8 tents in here easy. Ooh, it's a bridge. Woo! Slippery. Shelter is really close. Ooh, I see it. It's right up there. Sweet. Oh, dude, this thing has like the privy. The Taj Mahal of privies. It looks like it's bigger than the shelter. All right, we got some signage. Columns Running was 6.3. Pine Grove was 9.6. Jeepers says we went more than 9.6. Quarry Gap, ooh, 7.4. Route 30, 10.1. So that's tomorrow. It's 10.1. Yuck. I love it. The picnic table is dry and under an area. Oh, I'm 7 feet tall with my spikes on. Birch Run Shelter. Birch Run Shelter actually is really nice. I'm kind of glad I stopped here. Got 8 of those. So those babies are cold and wet, but these things are awesome. However, with the Ultra shoes, they do tend to slide off center a little bit, which is okay. Alright, down here looks to be where the water is. It's just the stream. Which is working good. Oh yeah, that's nice.